Fix 1. Ensure that backup files exist. Firstly, ensure that the local backup file does indeed exist. Typically, backup files are saved in the WhatsApp or databases folder on the device. Step 1. Open the file manager and navigate to the device's internal storage or SD card. Step 2. Locate the WhatsApp folder and tap to enter it. Step 3. Then proceed to the databases folder to check for backup files resembling megst or YIMDD1DB. Of course, if the backup file is corrupted, WhatsApp will be unable to read it. You'll also need to try checking if the backup file can be opened normally. Fix 2. Backup WhatsApp to local drive again. If the backup files are missing or corrupted, you have to create a new backup. Step 1. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings, Chats, Chat Backup. Step 2. Tap Backup to create a new local backup. Step 3. Ensure the backup process is completed successfully. Fix 3. Perform some debugging for WhatsApp. If the backup files exist but WhatsApp still can't detect them, you can try the following steps to manually restore the backup. Step 1. Locate the backup files on your old Android phone. Open the file manager and navigate to the device's internal storage. The path is Android Media Com, WhatsApp databases. Look for the file megstore DB, crypt14 and other similar backup files and copy them to your computer. Step 2. Transfer the backup files to the new Android phone. On your new phone, create the same path. Android Media Com, WhatsApp databases. Use your computer or any other file transfer tool to copy the backup files into the databases folder on the new phone. Step 3. Install WhatsApp on the new phone. Go to the Google Play Store and install WhatsApp Messenger. Once installed, open WhatsApp. Step 4. Verify the phone number. Tap Agree and Continue. Then enter the phone number that matches the one used for the backup. Enter the verification code you received to confirm your number. Step 5. Ignore Google Drive backup prompt. When WhatsApp prompts you to restore from a Google Drive backup, simply ignore it and exit the app. Switch your phone to airplane mode. Step 6. Open WhatsApp again. Reopen WhatsApp and wait longer than usual for the local backup scan process to complete. Step 7. Restore the local backup. After skipping the Google Drive related prompts, you will see the option to restore the local backup on the screen. Tap Restore to recover your WhatsApp data. Step 8. Turn off airplane mode and enable Wi-Fi data. Once the restoration is complete, disable airplane mode and connect to Wi-Fi or mobile data. At this point, you should be able to access your WhatsApp messages from both the old and new devices.